Hello and welcome back again, my friend. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you here the other cryptocurrency. Also, we used to make that video in Patreon, but a lot of members they asking for it to be in YouTube. So also we switch it today to YouTube. So we want your support, guys. Please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Now let's start here by USDT market cap or USDT dominance. That one here, what it given us, we got here a bullish divergence here in 4 hours. We still have here the downtrend like that. Is it actually like a down channel like that? As you see it, guys, we touched the lower of it here. Now what is it the view? Also, we're still waiting here an extra confirmation for us to catch in along from here, and that going to indicating that, man, all the cryptocurrency market is going to dump. That's why also we started by that one first for you to get a clear picture. Let me show you that bullish divergence what we're talking about here. You see it, guys, here, that a bullish divergence here. As you see it here, that a bullish divergence here. So you need to be careful, guys. Exactly those ones, they enter late in the market. They need to be careful. Not the only things I can tell you. Till now, it's still a little bit early. You can make even here a very sharp downtrend like that. But also going to update you day by day here in that channel. Now, let's go into see the ADA or Cardano what they're doing today. Because even that one, we need to look at it. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, the Cardano here. The Cardano, also we tell it to you, by the way, that the first video here, also we tell it to the people they are in our Patreon. Even you can join us if you want our daily signals. Also, we enter every day. Now we build in a new system. We enter frequently in a lot of cryptocurrencies. Even you can benefiting from that. Now here, we said we are in a very stronger zone here in the other Cardano here. What that indicating to you? It's indicating maybe the market is going to dump. It tried to give us here like a double top. Let me show it to you. As you see it here, that's a double top here or a M. That one here is a double top or a M. Should we enter a short? Also, we're still waiting an extra confirmation. Even that up downtrend here, that sharp one, that one. That one, it looks like it's going to be broke quickly, but also we're not going to base our trade on that one. We got something else here in our indicator. Let me show it to you. If you're seeing with me here in our indicator, we got a big bearish divergence here, as you see it, guys. And that indicating maybe that market going to dump. Also, we said when that one here cross below 70, it's always indicating the market is going to dump to where maybe to that zone here in the middle or something here. And also we're going to make a trade based on that in the coming hours or coming days, because all those other cryptocurrencies, we don't day trade them. Also we day trade only Bitcoin, and those days we scalp even the Ethereum. Even you can join also if you are interested, of course. I will show you my earnings and everything when I end up from here. Now let's go to see the Litecoin, what they're doing today. Here we are, guys, the Litecoin, that one here, also we internet along yesterday or before yesterday, I think. Now here what the Litecoin got, it got here that uptrend like that. Also we're still looking at it. If it's going to be broke here, that's when also we're going to catch a short, or maybe to break for us the last high here. Even that one is possible. The trade of me in the Litecoin, let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, here is it here in Patreon of us. Of course, if you are interested, you can join us. As you see, is it here that the Litecoin, and that is it before. As you see it, we make 14%, 16% from it. We entered it yesterday. Plus, I got even Ethereum and Bitcoin. Those ones we enter for them from down below. As you see them here, you can join me in X. We are sharing all those things. And even you can join that VIP Discord if you are interested, my friend. Very simple. You're going to find in the comment a comment from me indicating directly to my Patreon. You can do it by yourself. www.patreon.com/Thomas Boleto, how it's written here in my channel, and you're going to find me, or write it in Google Thomas Boleto, and you're going to find my name. You're going to find in Patreon, see member option, click at it to find the tier you want. We got 4 tiers, 1 position. Is it only here in that zone here? You enter only here. If you want to enter here in cryptocurrency, you need to choose either VIP, Elite, or Gold. Gold, you're going to get everything if you are interested. Now let's going back to Litecoin. Here in the Litecoin, guys, we got a bearish divergence. Let me show it to you. Here in the Litecoin, guys, as you see that here, a bearish divergence here, that one here. Should we enter a short? Also, we're still waiting now, as I show you here in the start. We got here that uptrend, that one. And also, we're waiting it to be broke here. By the way, those ones is only for swing trading, guys. That when you're holding a trade for 2 or 3 days, till 1 week, there is no day trading in those cryptocurrencies. Now, let me show you the AVAX or Avalanche, what they're doing today. Here we are, guys. In the AVAX, same thing like all the other cryptocurrencies. We got here a up channel here. As you see, that up channel, same like USDT dominance. It touched here the top. Now let's see if it's going to fall down to touch the lower here. That's possible. Second scenario, maybe it's going to break even here and to go more higher. But the bad news here, also we touch here a very stronger zone. As you see it here, people there with me, they know me. That's not my style here for me to enter from zones. But it touch a very stronger zone, and in that very stronger zone, it's might to give you here like a big cup and handle here. Even that one, you need to focus about it. The other thing, you can even make here a very sharp uptrend like that. Even that one is possible, but watch me, I'm looking at that double top here. That one here to finish for me to catch a trade. Maybe it's going to give me here double top, head and shoulder like that. Something here indicating maybe the market is going to dump, and me, I'm going to base my trade on that. If you want other cryptocurrencies, those major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the Sol, you can join my other YouTube channel. That one we put in it a video every day when the daily candle close. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. In our indicator, guys, we got a very clear bearish divergence here, and that bearish divergence is not only in those. In our cryptocurrency, we got a bearish divergence now, so we need to be careful, guys. You need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you here. Now let's go into see the Doge, what it's doing today. Here we are, guys. In the Doge, same thing. We got here a bearish divergence, closer to give us here a double top, indicating maybe the market is going to dump. Also, we enter a short in the Bitcoin. That's another story, guys. Tell you, join us and you're going to see those things live, how us we're working on them. Now what we got, same thing. We got here that up channel like that. We touch the top of it here. Now let's see if that one going to fall down to test here the lower of that channel. Even that one is possible. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Doge. Same thing, guys. We got here a bearish divergence here. As you see it here, that's a bearish divergence. Should we enter short based on that? Also, we're still waiting extra layer of confirmation, which is price action. And also, we're going to enter in that time. So I think I explained everything here about the Doge. Now it's going to see the TRX, what it's doing today, or Tron. Here we are, guys, in the TRX or Tron, same thing. We got here a uptrend here. As you see it, you can make it like that, like a up channel. But that one is very close to touch the lower of it, so you need to focus about it. If it's going to break here, maybe it's going to dump. If it's not, it's going to touch it, then after to pump again. Even that one is possible, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in TRX. Our indicator, guys, in TRX, it's breaking here that zone of 70. Now the next zone is that one here in the middle. Then from there, we're going to update you what's going to happen more. Now, let's go into see the XLM. That one, also we add that just for one member. Let's see it. And still our XLM, guys. That one here, we don't got nothing here. I'm going to show you everything about it. We got here that uptrend like that. That's all the things we got here. Zone, also we are in a very stronger zone, but we got something very important here. Let me show it to you. If you see in with me here in our indicator, we got here a bearish divergence, guys. That one here is a bearish divergence. That means all that pump here, it's not healthy. Let's see if the market going to break it again and to pump again, or from here going to dump. So also we are ready for all scenarios. So I think I explain everything to you here. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. If you want our daily signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. You're going to find the link of it in the comment. Well, that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.